So far we have created all our lots using the basic template. If you want to create your own template, go to the lot view, create a lot, but this time press create product group and enter a template name such as snowboards, and have a quick look what you are already having on your lot card. We have the name, we have the description, dates, and a quantity. Let's add one more piece of information to enter a binding type. So we call this field binding type, we have it shown cards, and we make it required so that the binding type has to be on the lot card when the snowboard is produced. Let's add one more piece of information, which is a field that allows the user to actually enter text on the dashboard. And in this case, we are interested in having the tip angle being measured at the press. We can now create our product group and release our first product using this lot card. We call it Mighty Snowman again. We enter the binding type and choose quantity 1. And now we can create our first lot, and you see the binding type and the other information on the lot card. Now if we move this lot card through the process, we are now able to see the information that we're interested in and have the opportunity to enter additional information and save them at the station.